How to solve can't install Facebook Messenger from Playstore. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if you are not able to install Facebook Messenger from your Play Store. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. First thing, so if you try to install Messenger here, I've already installed it, but if you're having trouble, it goes all the way to 100%, but when it's installing, it says cannot install due to some error. So in this case, what you need to do is, this is a very effective method. Since Facebook and Messenger are connected, you just want to uninstall your Facebook first, and then try to install Messenger. And once you do that, your Messenger will be installed to your device, and you can install your Facebook afterwards. So first of all, go ahead and uninstall the Facebook and then try to install your Messenger. And once your Messenger is installed, you can always download your Facebook back. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Try it out, and if it works, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you on the next video.